非洲徛哥因为生态地环境真歹，拄到保存的危机，已经被列做非常危险、强要断种的物种。即阵这南非的徛哥保育中心是当每册咧护育，嘛会照顾一寡受伤也是破病徛哥，等待因恢复健康了后，才搁甲因放出来。
这款徛鹅有会伫咧水边边淋水，或是晒喺遐晒日头，要过暂时天气正冷的南极。这款徛鹅是生活伫咧非洲的非洲徛鹅，这是南非的徛鹅保育中心，专门保养照顾受伤破病的徛鹅，等因恢复了后，再个养放。
It was great to see this, the center that do so much help for the animals that are threatened by the human activities, and also give them a chance to be back to the wildlife. And also, we need to do a lot of from the perspective of the national policy.
非洲徛鹅的学名是斑嘴款徛鹅，也叫做南非徛鹅。保育中心讲，身体无好的徛鹅拢会上花，走去附近的街仔路，避伫咧车下骹。因逐礼拜拢派志工四过巡逻，领即寡破病的徛鹅，送去南部非洲沿海鸟类保育基金会病治疗，结果送来保育中心照顾一直到好势。
The fact that they're not only endangered but critically endangered, it's a sobering thought. It really is. But I think we need to look at places like this and you instantly realise, wow, there are a lot of people working tirelessly to keep this species going.
虽然这款兽医甲志工正努力伫咧保育这款非洲徛鹅，不过 NGO 非政府组织国际鸟兵统计资料显示，非洲徛鹅数量即马只敢剩无到1万对，甲1991年42500对比，减超过7成。到2035年，生活伫野外非洲徛鹅可能会绝种。 所以 IUCN 国际自然保护联盟就将非洲徛鹅列做濒危的物种。
I think it's certainly a wake-up call when an animal is placed on the endangered species list. It makes us all realise just what a dire state we're in. Our icons of Australia, the koala, were just placed on the endangered species list.
南非国家公园的海洋生物学家艾利森科克讲，非洲徛鹅数量减少原因包括食物无够、气候变迁、暴动、掠食者、疾病、石油化漏等真侪原因。不过上大威胁是营养无够，无法度找到有够的食物，所以真侪徛鹅就袂生。 自今年1月开始，南非政府对国内6个徛鹅的生态地实施10年的商业捕猎禁令，避免人类甲徛鹅抢鱼食。另外，还佫暗算要增加人工的收加新的生态地，希望会当增加非洲徛鹅的数量。公司新闻，陈思东编辑。